It's Mike Les bringing you some 2018 corn harvest action from Plymouth, Iowa. I was out here visiting a customer with the local dealer, D&L Equipment, out of Kensett, Iowa, to see a Versatile 450 Delta Track. That would be this customer's second one. I also did a video in this field a few years back of the customer's first Delta Track. He has since traded up to a new colored one that should have been running in the field next to us here, but the ground was too frozen and they could not get the ripper shanks to go through the ground with pulling up giant clumps. So they were here showing the corn, so I decided to just get some video of their equipment here. So in the field is a John Deere S680 combine with a John Deere 608C corn head and a John Deere 8335 RT tractor pulling a Brent 880 grain cart. And this area was much like the rest of the country as far as fall harvest goes, way behind. Guys trying to get done, weather not cooperating, and from what I understand, a lot of the crop up in this part of northern Iowa was planted late, and of course getting harvested late too. Very little fall tillage done because of wet ground conditions and now frozen ground conditions. So if you can see on the pictures of the ripper there, they had the disc blades raised clear up out of the ground, so they were just basically pulling the ripper shanks through the field as the ground is so hard, and heard of some guys even bending up or busting part of their ripper because of the hard frozen ground. When I was here years ago in this same field, it was springtime. He was pulling a John Deere field cultivator with his first Delta Track, and I was actually here with one of the girls from our marketing department at Versatile, and used some of the video from this field in some of the brochures and promotional stuff. The farm you'll see coming up in the background here belongs to these folks, and also right behind me was another field being harvested by another farm. There was an S-Series John Deere's combine, tractor, and grain cart over there, but everything was full and they were stopped waiting on trucks. Otherwise, I would have flew my drone over there, got a little bit of footage, and did a 2-for-1 video here. And you can see it's a beautiful day here in north central Iowa, although it's quite cold. As I was coming up here in the morning, temperatures were down in the single digits and never got out of the 20s during the day. And as I was shooting this video in the evening, it was right at 20 degrees. The night before I got here, they were running the Delta Track and the Ripper in the same field as the Combine, trying to keep up with the Combine. Actually, would have made for a nice video, but like I said, the ground froze too hard. They were not able to, so gives me something to shoot for maybe next fall. There is several more minutes left in this video, so please enjoy, and as always, thanks for watching.